Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create or send a group email in Gmail. So in here, I'm going to start by opening the Gmail. You can see I've already opened the Gmail. Here you can click on this Google Apps icon, click on Contacts, and now choose to create a role label. Click on a plus icon in here and then create the name of the label, for example math class. Click on save. Then here you can just simply select the contact that you want to add into the label, for example this one. And here you can just click on this manage labels and click on or choose math class. Click on apply, and after that here you can just go back to your Gmail and let's start composing a message. And under the two in here you can just type in okay. So I'm going to so I just need to add or write the label. You can see there will be this three members. You can just click on this, and after that it will be added into the recipients automatically. You can just write your email then and click on send. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.